Hello, in this video I'll show you how to use the fillable copyright release form that you can sign and submit digitally. So first of all, you go to the link and you open it in your browser, but since we need to edit this PDF, you need to download a copy and use Adobe Acrobat Reader to open this document. So we'll do that. You download and then open it using your Acrobat reader. Okay, so once it's open, you can see those fillable fields. They're usually highlighted in red, so you just fill it out. So here are the two important menus that you need to use to select the conference name and the journal issue number. So make sure you go to this drop-down list and select the conference that where your paper will be presented, and then from your original editor you should know the issue number to pick from, and then you can just fill the rest of form out. But when you need to sign the document, here's how you sign it with the Acrobat Reader. So you click on select the Fill and Sign tool from your toolbar and click on Sign. I have two signatures, but you can create one very easily. Just select Draw and then use your mouse, your cursor to sign your signature and click on Apply. And then you can drag it and put it wherever you want, and that's it. And then you can save this document and then submit it along with your final manuscript to your original editor.